In this video, I will show you how to pay for Instagram ads. Open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed to Professional Dashboard. Click on this setting icon. Click on Add Payments. Select your billing account. Then you have Add Funds right here. Go ahead and enter amount you want to pay. So I can easily click on here and add 2,000. Once you add the amount you want to pay, choose your means of payment, which can either be debit or credit card, pay by USSD, pay with Visa or FAFO or Naira card, or pay with bank transfer. Whichever option you use, all you have to do is to make sure you enter your payment detail and so all you have to do is to choose any of the payment options right here. If you are paying with bank transfer, so select bank transfer, then go ahead and click on next right here. So you can choose any means of payment method available to you. This is depends on the country and the region or location you have. That will determine the means of payment will be given to you by us. So here we go. A bank account is going to be generated. Just like so. So here, what I need to do is to simply copy this account number and make payment of this amount into this particular bank given by Melta right here. And the account is going to expire within 2 hours. It's that simple. Just go ahead and copy account number and make the transfer into the account given by Meta Platform Incorporated. For more use, and your money will be successfully credited into your Instagram ad account with this particular amount of money. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use Instagram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.